Hey, this is Nate. Thanks for reaching out. I got your website pulled up here. I just wanted to give you a few pointers on a couple things. Scrolling down through the site itself, your overall layout looks really good. Keep going down through here. You've got some nice pictures. You've got some good content. Like I said, the layout itself looks good. One thing that you could do down here is embed your map from your Google My Business page. That helps with Google. Google loves local businesses. Another thing is I didn't actually go through and count the content, but with Google, content is king. We recommend about 1,000 to 1,500 words on this homepage and about 500 to 750 words on those back service pages. You want to get those keywords and keyword phrases that people are typing into Google organically into the content on your page. It's not the only way to be found for a particular keyword, but it is one of the fastest and easiest ways for Google to recognize those keywords and know that your site is relevant to what people are looking for. So I did put you into one of our SEO tools here. Your title tag and your H1 tag are both super important to Google. What you've got on both of them is not bad, but I like to keep them super simple. Because you've got Power Wash in your name, I would do Houston TX Pressure Washing dash Power Wash of Houston. Get both that main pressure washing and power wash keyword into that title tag. You do want to get some of your location and some of your keywords into this meta description. It looks like you do have a few of those. And then down here with your H1 tag, that's the only one that shows up on the website itself. So you've got Welcome to Power Wash of Houston. That is right here on your website. So you can tell the website, like if you wanted this to be your H1, you could just go into the back end and tell it to make that an H1. And a lot of times that's where you're going to find it, but it doesn't really matter. But with that, I would just do, Houston TX Pressure Washing. Get that main location and main keyword into that H1. It helps build that clear path of communication with Google as to where you are and what you do. So look at here, I typed in Houston TX Pressure Washing. This right here on these sites is that meta description. And you can see some of these words are bolded. They're not put in that way when you type out the meta description. Google is doing that to tell me that these sites have relevant stuff to what I typed in. So you do want to get that set up and get those keywords in there. Also, this right here, this blue line is the title tag. And probably 90% of the people that rank on this first page, in that title tag, they have something about either power washing or pressure washing and Houston. So power washing Houston, pressure washing Houston, pressure washers Houston, pressure washing Houston. So you kind of see the importance of making sure that gets set up right. So I did put you into one of the other tools that we have. You are currently showing up for 60 different keywords. So, power washing Houston, pressure washing Richmond, Texas, pressure washing Houston, Texas, pressure washing Sugarland. It looks like you're starting to show up for some other areas. Your top rank right now is 12th, which is near the top of the second page. But, excuse me, these are what I call generic keywords. They say where you are and what you do. So what I would do if I were to build out your site or go in and make any changes to it, I would build out separate location pages for these other areas that you cover to give you a better chance of ranking higher in those areas. Build out an entire page about pressure washing in Sugarland and pressure washing in Richmond and whatever other cities you cover. It looks like you're showing up in Katy. So you got a lot of good things going, but there are some modifications we can make. If you got any questions, you know how to find me. I'll talk to you later. Thank you.